Just go back.
To my channel, how's everybody doing today? Have you ever purchased one of these excuse me, fundraiser recipe books that's comprised of your family and friends? Well, I have. Actually, this was a gift. I think my brother gave me this as a gift for Christmas years ago. But anyway, I think that is great to put together a lot of recipes from people you know. I can't say that I know anyone in this recipe book, but I'm just saying that I just think that's great. So, why am I talking to you about this recipe book? I'm glad you asked, because I am going to be co-hosting a collaboration. Yes, a collaboration. It's called Valentine's Day Collaboration, and I will be a host, and Tennessee Kim will also be a host, and we will be co-host, I'm sorry. And the host for this collaboration is the wonderful Vandessa over at Veology. And what we're asking you guys to do is to bake a sweet. I know a lot of people have made, goals to lose weight or whatever, but, some of us still have a little carb in our diet, unfortunately. So we want you to bake a sweet, share the recipe, display your sweet, and the upload date is in about 2.5 weeks. So y'all have plenty of time to get your recipes together. And that will be February the 1st at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And you can use the hashtag sweets with an S, for your sweetie. All one word. Well, actually, it's not one word, but no spaces. Hashtag sweets for your sweetie. And so let me repeat that. It's called the Valentine's Day Collaboration. And the host is Veology, and myself and Tennessee Kim will be co-hosting it. And so I'll have these ladies' channels in my description box, so you can go ahead and go over and check their channels out. I think I met Tennessee Kim during another collaboration. And of course I met Veology during the collaboration also. So hopefully you guys are going to participate. Hope we have a lot of participation. You don't have to eat all the sweets that day, but we would like for you to display them. So let me know in the comments section if you plan to participate. If you do plan to participate, go ahead and put the hashtag sweets for your sweetie. And I want to go ahead and thank, look at this hummingbird cake. Has anyone ever had a hummingbird cake? I haven't. What else is on here? Red velvet cake, probably hard to make. Italian cream cake. I think I've had that. Mountain Dew cake. Millionaire pound cake. Napoleon cake. But anyway, that's going to conclude this video. If this is your first time visiting my channel, welcome. I'm Mrs Vee. My channel focuses on ways to save money by doing do-it-yourself projects, shopping on the clearance rack, couponing. We shop at the thrift store over here. We shop high-end on the clearance rack. So we just enjoying life over here. And if you enjoying life and saving money, go ahead and click that red subscribe button. And if you like this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. And share this video with anyone who maybe wants to participate in the collaboration. And that's going to conclude this video. This is Miss V. I'm going to continue to show you love. And I'm going to always help you save on some of the things you need so you can get some of the things you want. Thank you and have a nice day. See you February 1st with all your sweets.